How do you attract affiliates? So you've made the offer, things are going, and now you want to go find affiliates to promote it and get some sales coming and customers from that channel. Makes total sense, right? So let's dive in. Well, let's go back to the offer. The offer has to be good, right, to attract the affiliates. Affiliates these days, the good ones anyway, are worth their weight in gold or diamonds or platinum or whatever precious metal you want to throw at them. But by a good offer, what I mean is that it converts on par and pays out on par to other top offers in that space, right? And that kind of goes back into how the offer is framed from a sales perspective, how you're pitching it, how the hooks are working, how the conversions are working, and then what your profit margins are to actually pay the affiliate commission, right? And now as you get more niche into different avenues and things like that, commissions can come down because there's less competition, things like that. But in general, the offer has to be good enough to actually earn affiliate traction to begin with. Next part, right, would be meet them where they're at, right? Meet the affiliates where they're at. And what I mean there is affiliates look for offers in certain places. It's, a common thing, right, to go to the ClickBank marketplace for affiliates and go to find new offers they might want to try to promote and kind of see the stack ranking there. There's different social channels you can explore, different Facebook groups that they're engaged in, Skype groups, right? Figure out where they're engaging in and looking for new offers and insert yourself and add value to these conversations, not just trying to take from them, right? But actually give out some helpful advice if you can and actually meet them where they're at there. Along with that, right, if you're on a network like ClickBank, you need to tailor and optimize your marketplace listing so when affiliates see it and click through to your affiliate tools page or affiliate sales page, that you're actually closing the deal there to a degree, right? You're not just assuming they're going to do all the work and promote for you. You're making a clearly defined affiliate swipe and tools page where they can go and get all the information they need. They can tell if their offer is if their traffic is a good fit for your offer based on how you're describing it. They can see it's fully fleshed out and they can have a good idea of what they expect to earn on that offer. So, be very clear with them. Almost treat that like a sales page for affiliates and think about the affiliate acquisition, not just a customer acquisition of that funnel, right? And that's what I kind of mean, meet them where they're at. The next part is actually actively recruit them. If you just, Kevin Costner might disagree, but if you just build it, they're not just going to come. You need to go actually do some of the work and actually put in the sweat equity to go find them. And what I mean there is from that first step, right? You're out there, you're engaging these marketplaces, you're chatting with people, you're meeting them, you're networking essentially, right? Now, before COVID and all that, you could do that in live events and eventually we'll be able to do that again, but there's great industry events to go to and network and meet these people face to face, actually recruit them. The other great thing you can do as you get some traction is hire an affiliate manager to take that off your plate if that's not something that resonates with you. And an affiliate manager shouldn't be an overpaid virtual assistant, right? This should be a sales-driven person who can actually go out, close deals, cut deals. They actually have leash to do that for you on your company's behalf, and they're actually compensated for growth, right? They're not just a kind of nominal fee just to kind of get someone swipe files, right? They're actually they're paid to close deals and get more customers in the door from affiliates. So those are things, right? And make sure the offer is converting well, constantly testing, improving it, meet them where they're at in marketplaces, on networks and in-person events or offline or online events, and then actively recruit and manage them, either whether it's yourself or affiliate managers or a team you're hiring. Yeah, and then if you can do all those three things, you're gonna be able to attract and actually keep affiliates for the long term. So happy scaling. Let me know if you have questions in the comments below. Cheers.